Yes. Let's go. Sir, why we can't explain the cocoa? Let's go. How for the cocoa is there? Please be experiencing such things. So when you see things like this, you have to be experiencing them and see what our great grandparents were experiencing while they were coming. This place is, you are welcome to the river. And the room I'm taking you to is not a sacred room, but just for one lesson, which I want you to take once and for all. When you enter this room, I'm going to give you a lesson you are going to take in once and for all. When you were at home, you were told that African chiefs were autocratic. Didn't you hear that? They said we were very, very robust, and we didn't like our subjects, and we did what we liked to them. Democracy was in Ghana before the merchants came here. So you see that we have got two lists of chiefs here. One here and the other there. So you can see that they have written there without blackened tool. Here, if you are a chief, you have to, it's a special law for you. You have to be qualified. You have to respect people, for people to respect you. You don't have to be autocratic. When you do something wrong, we have elders who will counsel you. And if after counseling you and you don't heed to the advice, they have the right to impeach you. That is democracy, isn't it?
Yes.
But over there they tell you that when they speak, the chief didn't allow them. Those who were buried in the mausoleum, if you die on the stool, you were buried on the mausoleum and given a fitting burial of about 3 good weeks. Yes, to show that they have lost an important person. As you celebrate the death of your president or whoever he is over there. So this place tells you that in Ghana we were practicing democracy. This is the current chief.
Yeah.
Barima Kwamiti. What is it, Bema? Bema. You are a man like that, like my brother. When you compare my brother, for me I'm not a Bema because you can tear me, but this man will go to him, he's stout, he tear you into pieces. But I say Bema, that means a man. Man of integrity. A man with conscience, a man who can rule his people. He has been on it for more than 45 years.
Remember I told you that when someone is installed as a chief, no one can dethrone that person unless the person died naturally. Yes. I mean, unless the person died. When the person died, then another person will be installed. But so far as, even if you are 8 years or 12 years or 16 years, you have been installed as a chief, and you'll be 100 years, you'll still be there. Nobody can take you off. Yeah. In fact, I know the chief very well. He's a very good friend, and we first met in Holland before we came and met in Ghana again. And I've been bringing a lot of groups to him. He's a man of wisdom. He's a man of wisdom, very brave person.
He succeeded his uncle. This was his uncle, the 11th. So the chief is the 12th. This is the 11th and this is the 12th. And he's still on the throne. I would have taken you to him, but we shall go later. Let's go to the market. The market.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I think before we go there,
hey, you have got my.
I don't know whether you talked about this because I made mention of when we were at Ejiso. I made mention that there is every chief has a black stool. Okay, now we can see the names over here. That says the list of Nanano chiefs without black stool. The reason is that someone may ask. The reason is that these are legends or regents. When a chief passed away, someone should sit in state to make sure that all the customary rights, everything will be performed. That person is a chief, but he is not a nominated chief. It's a selected chief. So as a result of that, even when you die, you are a chief, but you don't have a black stone.
You will not be buried like
You will not be buried like the nominated chief, the way they bury them.
as my brother is.
Yes. So that is without a black stone and with a black stone.
As far as we use tools, so when you go there, they use quiz.
Yes, here.
He said, wow. Little kid right there. Yeah. Let me take a picture. I took it.